Hey lovely viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are start here our question number 9 of worksheet 3, class 8 DAV math chapter 4, and our chapter name is direct and inverse variation. So here this is our question number 9. A train 210 meter long took 12 seconds to pass a 90 meter long tunnel. Find the speed of the train. In this question we have to find the speed of the train, and we have also given that the length of the train is 210 meter and it take 12 seconds to pass a 90 meter long tunnel. Firstly, in this question we have to find the speed of the train. I write here speed is equal to, let the speed of the train, not given in the question, let this be x kilometer per hour. So here x multiply by, now change kilometer into meter, x multiply by 1000 and change hour into second. There are 3600 seconds in 1 hour. Double zero, cancel these double zero. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Here 5 multiplied by this x is equal to 5x upon 18 meter per second. Now we will find that it is a case of direct variation or inverse variation. So firstly I have to make the table here. I write in first line distance which is in meter, and time which is in second. So from here I write 5x upon 18, 5x upon 18, and time is meter per second. Per second means 1 second. Now given here 12 seconds, I write 12 seconds in time in second here 12. Now we have to find that the time, we have to find the distance covered in 12 seconds. So here the tunnel is given here in this question. So the distance covered in 12 seconds is equal to this 210. Now add this 90 meter in this 210 meter. 210 meter plus this 90 meter. This is equal to 210 meter plus 90 meter. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 1 plus 9, 10. 1 is a carry. 2 plus 1 is equal to 300 meter. Now we have to find the value of x from here. And in this question we know that distance is equal to distance which is equal to speed multiplied by time. We have in this question given here distance and time, one from the LHS and second one from the RHS. So it is a case of direct variation. So it is a case of direct variation. Now by applying the formula of direct variation, which is a upon b is equal to k constant, this is 5x upon 18 which is equal to this 300 upon 12. Now by cross multiply, 5x multiply by 12 is equal to this 18 multiply by this 300. From here x is equal to 18 multiply by 300 upon this 5 multiply by 12. So from here at the ones place here is 0, at this 5, this 300 is divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, here is 0, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, and here is 0. And then 6 ones are 6, 6 3s are 18. Now x is equal to this 3 multiply by 30, x is equal to 90 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed of train. We calculate from here. We have find the value of this x. In this question we have to ask that find the speed of the train. So the speed of the train is 90 kilometer per hour. Important point is here. In this question we have given the tunnel. So we add the 90 meter or the length of the tunnel in the length of the train. So that's where we calculate the distance of the train. So that's all in today's video, and question number 10 is similar to This is our question number 9. So we will continue with our value based question of this chapter in the next video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.